Hello again, everyone. Welcome to Washington Gun Law TV. I am Washington Gun Law President William Kirk. Thanks for joining us. We are down here at the Washington State Capitol on our way back from Vancouver. Thanks to everyone with the Clark County Republican Party who were kind enough to have us down there last night. Hey, Washington, I got bad news for you. If you really value and cherish your Second Amendment rights, well, the clock is ticking. And what I mean by that is the folks over there in that building right there are this close now to absolutely, positively, and once and for all eviscerating your inalienable Second Amendment rights. We'll explain in just a moment what's going on and how it's going to likely happen. So today, let's spend a few minutes and let's talk about Washington State moves even closer to taking your Second Amendment rights. So today we want to check out and see how secure StopBox really is. So we're heading over to one of the book clubs to have it tested by one of the most dangerous creatures known to man. That's right. I'm talking about the drunk suburban housewife.
You guys, your name's coming.
Oh, hey, ladies.
Oh, hey!
How's book club going?
Oh yeah, I have a shit ton of stuff.
You look like a Lolita.
No.
Lolita.
What is wrong with me?
Call me Steve, Jake. Ew. You look like a Hannah
Taylor. No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah. With those lips, you're
100%
Lolita. Spicy.
Yeah.
Cuban. Sorry.
Okay, ladies, got a little challenge for you here.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, so listen, here's what I got. I got a $200 spa package to Willow's Lodge.
Ooh la la.
I got 2 days, 2 nights at Suncadia, $100 at Target,
Nice.
and $100 at Wine and More, because I know you can need that. So, any of you get into the box, it's yours. Have fun.
Okay, who wants to go first?
I can get in
Okay,
the box.
Beth. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Come on. Get that spa package.
Oh. Yeah. Come on. Ooh. Get it. Come on.
You gotta push all the buttons. You do the same thing over.
Come on.
You have to figure this out.
I just give up. I'm pouring more wine.
You give up?
Yeah, I give up.
All right, well,
You didn't pour me any.
close, but looks like they're all mine. Thank you, ladies.
What?
StopBox. Protect your family while protecting your family.
Bill, we need more wine!
Yeah! Woo!
Okay, Washington, this is what we're talking about. We're talking about House Bill 1163, the permit to purchase legislation. You know, the permission slip that you're going to have to get from government before you can exercise what is supposed to be an inalienable right. Now, as you recall, we were down here on Tuesday listening to testimony, which at times got a little colorful. And we do recall that there was a 10-to-1, let me say that again, 10-to-1 sign-in rate of those opposed to this legislation versus those that were in favor of this legislation, which about is the exact same numbers as what happened when the bill was over in the House as well. So you have basically a 10-to-1 opposition to pro on this. However, after coming out of the Senate Judiciary Committee, it went into executive session, and to no one's surprise, it has now passed out of executive session with a recommendation to pass this legislation. It came out of committee on a strict party line vote, which again should come as a shock to nobody. And so this thing now is teed up and ready to move to the Senate floor, where if it is passed there, and right now there's no real reconciliation between the bill that it sits in the Senate right now and the bill as it sits in the House. So we are this close to this bill being ready to go to the governor's desk for signature. Now, when does all of this occur to your actual rights? The enactment date, if this becomes legislation, will be November 1st, 2026. Now, let's circle back to the very beginning, because I said that they are this close to actually taking your Second Amendment rights. Is that hyperbole? Is that conjecture? Is that clickbait material? No, I don't believe so, because this is how we see it. You see, if you have to pay for something and then go through mandatory education and then prove your worthiness before you can then get a license to go exercise a right, well, that's not really a constitutional right. And that, my friends, is exactly what House Bill 1163 will do effective November 1st, 2026, if it becomes legislation. Okay, listen, you may have more questions about this or anything else related to what's left of our Second Amendment rights in Washington State, and unfortunately, that is not much right now. If you do, you should know how to get a hold of Washington gun law by now, but if you don't, that's okay. That information is down there in the description box. If you got an idea for a video we should be doing around here, awesome. Click on that link right there and tell us all about it. If you want to subscribe to the monthly newsletter, the ability to do all of that is down there in the description box. And then finally, and most importantly, let's everyone remember that part of being the lawful and responsible gun owner, like we talk about all the time here, is to know what the law is in every situation and how it applies to you in any instance that you may find yourself. From Olympia, Washington, thanks for watching. Stay safe.